Hey crafty friends, it's Shari here, and today we are diving into something truly fantastic, our Seize the Day album kit. This is featuring our bright and bold Seize the Day paper collection, our deconstructed waterfall album. In the video, I'm going to walk you through the album that you're going to create with this project sheet and everything you're going to get in that kit. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. This album kit takes our deconstructed Trifold Waterfall folio and makes things simplified and gorgeous. You can see Maria Cole has done up this album along with the step-by-step projects. You're gonna love this dimensional glitter that's included in the album kit, along with all of the fun interactive details in this simple waterfall folio. So you can see there's a great spot for a photo right off the bat, right here. And open this up, and we've got this fun little tuck spot. Let the sea set you free. You can do some journaling back here, and there's this fun little pull tab. How great is this large photo mat here as well, along with another space for a photo on this beautiful bubbly paper. In this side loading pocket, you're gonna see another great photo mat. You're a great catch. How cute are these stars? This flips over to reveal more great spaces. You can see we've got the stickers featured here along with the great chipboard pieces. Maria's used all these pieces beautifully to create a fun folio. So here we've got our little magnetic closure, and we love how this rotates those papers, making the cutting and putting this together a breeze. We'd love to hear in the comments below, how are you going to use your album? Are you going to be adding your beach photos, maybe giving this as a gift? And then over here we've got another frame to frame a photo and another journaling spot to write in all those great details of your summer vacations, your river trips, anything you want to celebrate. The Seize the Day album kit is available on our website at g45papers.com, as well as at your local G45 retailers. Let me show you what you're going to get inside this album kit. Of course, you're going to get that project sheet with colored photos and step-by-step directions on how to recreate the folio just as we have done. Of course, we'd love to see what you create on your own, so be sure to share whatever you create with us as well. These folios come with pieces that you can put together, so you can put it together just like Maria has, of course, or you can do your own thing. That's what we love about our fun folios. If I could just find the front, here we go. There's a nice magnetic closure. Open this up and you'll find you're going to get two full-size pockets, this great folio base, and these other three pieces. So a lot to work with when creating a folio. You're going to get the Seize the Day cardstock stickers. These are beautifully done and great accents to add to any project. The Seize the Day chipboard tags, frames, and pieces. In here you get 31 different pieces. The Gala Glitz teal glitter. This is going to add so much beautiful dimension to those projects and really make it shine bright. Of course, you'll get the Graphic 45 zip top bag to store it all in, along with these 12 by 12 Seize the Day papers. The 12 by 12 collection pack is filled with beautiful imagery. You can see these bright and bold colors, great borders, cut-aparts. You get 16 of these double-sided design papers and 8 of these patterns and solids. These are new to be included in our collection packs, and we are absolutely thrilled. So whether you're documenting a beach vacation or just a summertime adventure, this kit is sure to be a fun and fabulous time. Be sure to pick this up now on our website at g45papers.com so you can play with all this glitz and glam. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know every time we upload a new fun and fabulous video. And check out the Seize the Day card kit tutorial where I teach you how to create one of these super cute cards. Thank you for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.